In this video, we're going to illustrate an experiment in the course of fluid mechanics for engineering that was titled as Orifice and Free Jet Flow. This experiment was conducted by Amr Faragali, Abdulatif Khalid, Mu'min Ashraf, at Zuwail City for Science and Technology in Egypt. The goal of this experiment is to calculate the velocity, contraction, and discharge coefficients for two tiny orifices in the lab and compare them to numbers found in the textbooks and references. The orifice and the free jet flow apparatus consists of a cylindrical head tank with an orifice plate set into its side, a water pump to maintain a steady level of water at the reservoir's surface. An adjustable overflow pipe is adjacent to the head tank to allow changes in the water level. A flexible hose attached to the overflow pipe that returns excess water to the hydraulics bench. A scale attached to the head tank indicates the water level. A baffle at the base of the head tank promotes smooth flow conditions inside the tank behind the orifice plate. 4 orifice plates with 4 and 8 mm diameters for each orifice. 3 trials will be conducted. The trajectory of the jet will be measured for this purpose. A scaled board should be adjusted behind the trajectory of the jet to take the measurements of the coordinates along it. A drain plug in the base of the head tank allows water to drain from the equipment at the end of the experiment, and a stopwatch for timing the flow measurement. In this video attached, we're going to illustrate how the experiments were conducted in the lab. By pressing the green button, the pump will start pumping the water up to the cylindrical head tank that have an orifice plate was previously installed into its side, and the water starts flow out of the orifice till the steady level of water at the tank is maintained. After the water level stabilizes, we will measure the water level above the orifice center line. Then we took a photo of the scaled board behind the jet flow to determine the jet trajectory by setting up coordinates for X and Y. We can control the water level by adjusting the vertical shaft at lower or upper position. This is a wonderful sound. And then we measure the flow rate. We turn it off the valve that accumulates the water in the upper reservoir. Then we started a stopwatch to calculate the time in seconds by taking an initial value point to a final one to get our calculations done. All these procedures were repeated for all 4 orifices till each one got its 3 trials. It was an entertaining experiment. Hope to enjoy it.